Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking down units and orientation so coordinates mean something. Open a site plan, turn on Survey and Project North, and reveal the project base point and shared site. Once done, choose whether you'll use internal vs project vs shared coordinates. That choice determines how Revit interprets moved points. Now move the project base point or survey point to your known local origin. You'll snap or enter exact easting/northing values, so your model aligns to real-world positions. Now bring in a trusted reference, CAD, GIS export, or another Revit file, and place it close to the base point. You'll rotate the model or the reference so true north aligns. Use Project North for documentation and True North for site orientation. After alignment, use Acquire Coordinates if you want your model to adopt the reference's surveyed coordinates, or Publish Coordinates to push your model's position out. Make sure to check both project and shared points to confirm consistent placement. Finish by validating. Measure grids, spot coordinates, and confirm control points match survey values. Export a reference IFC or link the model into a host file to verify placement in other platforms. If you spot mismatches, don't panic. Use Relocate Project or Reset Shared Coordinates and repeat the alignment steps. Small rotation or unit errors are common. One practical tip: always save a time-stamped backup before major coordinate changes so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.